The Yeacool Camping Shovel 24.21 stands out as a compact survival tool that combines a shovel, pickaxe, and saw in one sturdy folding design. The modular handle uses separate tube sections, giving you both a comfortable grip and hidden storage space for small survival items like first aid pieces or fishing tackle. High carbon steel construction gives the shovel head and pickaxe reassuring strength, so it can handle tough digging, chopping, and prying without feeling flimsy. The included canvas carry bag makes it easy to pack, either slipped into a backpack or attached to a belt, while also preventing the metal edges from scuffing other gear. This tool feels especially useful for camping, off-road recovery, and backyard projects since it works for digging fire pits, trenching around tents, or light gardening jobs. It also makes a thoughtful gift for outdoor-focused friends or family members who appreciate practical gear that saves space while adding real capability to their kits.